Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. If you are new here, do well and subscribe. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic black and white. Okay, pardon me if you can't hear some of my words because I am not a native speaker of English, so pardon me for that. But as far as you can hear, try and follow along with the tutorials. So what we are going to do now is we'll go to channel. Now as you can see, we have the RGB, red, green, blue. These are the 4 channels we have. Now after creating this tutorial, after finishing with this tutorial, you'll see that there will be additional channel to this. So what we are going to do is we go back to layers. If you can't see your channels, you can go to Windows, then we'll see channels. Okay, so I'll come to layers. This is what I have. So I'll go to image, then I'll go to calculations. Then what I'm going to do now is already I've made the settings, so the settings is already there. So what I'm going to do now is I'll change this one to green. But if I change this one to green, okay, and change this one to, let's say, red, see what we are going to get. You can see the redness is too, because of the redness too high. You can see that the picture has more white than the black. Okay, the white is more than the black. So this is one of the ways we can also manipulate it. We can change the first layer source 1 to red, and then change the source 2 to green, and this is what we are going to get. I like this one. This one is a combination of both the red and then you can see that the white is there, then the black is there. So I like this one. You will maintain the blending option. If your blending option is set to normal, change it to multiply, and then you can increase the percentage or can decrease the percentage of the opacity, or you can increase the percentage of the opacity. After creating that, maintain the settings. You will use new channel, then press OK. Now that we have finished, let's go back to our channel. So this is our channel. You can see that new channel has been created. So this one is alpha 1 channel. So you'll click inside this one. Then what we are going to do is you press Ctrl A to select everything. Come back to your layers, then create another layer. Okay, so make sure that this channel, see, let's select it again, Ctrl A, then press Ctrl C to select everything, to copy it. So I've copied that. I come back to the newly created layer, create inside this, then press Ctrl V. That is what we have. That's what we created. So this is our cinematic black and white, but we can add some effect, like we can play with the curves, so we can increase the lightness, can also bring down the shadows. Okay, any way you think it's best for you. Okay, so I'm just playing around. I can increase the brightness more, I can increase the shadows too. Okay, the midpoint is okay for me. I like it this way. Then I'll go back to my layers, then from my layers and also add some kind of vibrance to it to make it more quite something. It's just effects, okay, to make your work nicer. I'll add some vibrance. Okay, look at the vibrance. Oh my god. So got something here before, after. Okay, you can also add saturation to make it. I'm not going to add more effect. I think this one is okay. So from here we are almost done. We can add some text to it. So you can, I created some text for this particular design, so I can bring that overlay here. Okay, So this is the test. Okay, the lady is Loretta. So I'll just position this test something like this. Something like this is cool. Then enter. So you can use any image to practice with this. But if you want to see the best results, you can ensure that the background is black for you, so that you will ensure that what you are creating is white. You can see the effect. That's why I use the black background. So that is the simple way you can create cinematic background, black and white. Sorry, cinematic black and white. So thank you for watching, and do well to subscribe to this channel.